Max. L-I-S. Is.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mad.
Good.
Matt is mad.
Take your finger out of your nose, please.
At.
That's the puzzle word.
Ew.
The.
Rat.
Excellent. Please read it again.
Max is mad at the rat.
Good work, Mihaela. Excellent. You are reading.
I'm reading chapter 2.
Good
I'm
work.
reading page 2.
Okay, turn the page. Do you want to try one more page?
There's still 2 more. It's
Try page 4.
Max. Max has a Max has
Yes. That's perfect. Has is correct. This is our puzzle word in this book.
It is the.
Bat. Max has the bat. Max has the bat. Can you tell it for me, Daddy?
Ham.
Ham. Max has the. Max has the bat ham.
Good.
Good work. Mihaela, look at Mommy. Good job. You're reading.
Thank you, Mommy. I love you.
I love you. Good job. He's very excited to be a reader.
I am too. I love reading. I want to read every book in the universe. Can you teach me how to read them?
Yes.